Welcome back. We're gonna continue on this adventure. Okay then. Nothing that interesting going on here. Let's. Uh-oh. Noel, what are you doing with Chris? We have a truce. A truce with Chris. That's impossible. That would be double truces. Huh? Oh, why not, my dearest Noel? I know what you really want to say. You do? Going along with all of this, you feel forced, don't you? It's why you're not with Queen right now. Buddy, you okay? Yes, I do. Chris is forcing you to be on their side. Kidnapper Chris, our truce is over. Noel, this may hurt, but it's to help you. Wait, just listen to me. Okay. Oh shit. Ah shit. Well, let's keep on doing this. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. You were trying to kill Noel, you dumb bitch. Okay, no shit. I know I die. Okay, and I don't know the pattern to this attack. Damn it! Frick! I'm tempted to just kill Birdie. I'm tempted to just, kill that smug bird. I'm pretty tempted to kill that Birdie's smug little face. I just hope it skips. Okay then. Okay, I don't know what attack he is gonna send out. No, I am doing that. Okay then. I don't really care about what you have to say, Birdie. Shit. Damn it, what's the fucking paper cuts? Okay. Oh. Okay. Well, I'm also gonna be there by next turn. Not this shit again. Well, always gonna have his own episode. No, screw it. Yep, I'm gonna beat Buddy's stupid ass. How would you have both weapons? I have both freaking weapons, and Birdie's got no shit on me. Noel, we're gonna kill Birdie. What, Chris? Then you're not actually serious? Yes, I am. Birdie Smoker, that's gonna die. Birdie, I am not going to spare you, sorry ass. I'm gonna kill you, Birdie, you're gonna die. I'm gonna fucking put you in a fucking make you into a defrosted chicken. Don't worry, Noel, you'll be gone soon. Shit, I could have probably attacked him when I saw it. You put him to sleep, Birdie. Okay. I am on ground kind of having fun trying to kill Birdie. Don't think making attacks more easier for me to. Don't worry, Birdie. The pain will be over soon. It will be over soon. Fuck. Okay then. I'm gonna try killing Birdie one more time, and if it doesn't work, then I'll go the merciful way. I hate to have to traverse for this. It'll take us a few seconds. It'll add up. Okay, Birdie, prepare for trouble, cause you're gonna die. Okay, Birdie, just accept your defeat. Birdie, why the hell are you trying to give me a paper cut? Why are you trying to give me a down paper cut? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna kill him soon. And he is gonna die. Really, that's gonna fucking die. And you killed Noel. As I feel. And you killed your friend as well. Okay. Yeah. Hopefully I'm not losing that for sure. Okay, great. Now I'm gonna get tens and hundreds of paper cuts. No. Okay. Um, I don't feel half bad about that. Damn it! Really, are you okay? Chris, maybe we should have gone easy on him. Fuck that, he's asshole. Go easy on me. No one going on easy mode was me. You look exhausted. I'm tired of holding back my true power. 10 minutes of them on this bird guy. Simple Noel, it would be too simple to save you now. Chris, go on ahead and train your strength values. Try hard, maybe someday you'll be a worthy rival. Sometimes I can't believe how cool I am. He hit me in the word tornado. That's why he deserved that. Chicken nuggets. Okay. Noel, honey, where are you? Oh no, here she comes. Noel, come here, I made you a Bowie acid pie. Oh, Chris, perfect timing. Have you seen? Oh my, what joyous Cobain. Oh my circuits. Chris, get in the car. My friend, where are you? I begged you a gamer's delight. She's not here. That was close. Chris, who is your friend? My face recognition software does not compute him. And yet, something about him seems cool. Robotic, you mean. Chris, we must strive to find Noel. Everyone get in the car. Chris, stay in direction, no button to steer. Chris, don't hit the cars. That's it. I hit one. Okay, I got your fucking banana. Potassium. Oh my suckers, it's a traffic jam. A dog must have wandered in the road again. Chris, be there and go walk to the press walk button. It's just over on the side of the road. Okay. I'll go too. No, you must stay until you hear all my mixtape. Okay, Chris, hurry up, please. Hey everyone, it's me, everybody's favorite #1 radio salesman, 1997. Spamton, G Spamton. Whoa, if it isn't no. Hey. Looks like you're all alone on a late night. All your friends abandoned you for this rhyme. Your sales gone down drain. Living in a goddamn garbage can. Well, have I got a special deal for lonely hearts like you. If you lost control of your life, then you just gotta grab it by the silly strings. Why be the worst ones who hate the $14.99 life when you can be a big shot, big shot, big shot? That's right, now she has to be a big shot. And I have just the thing you need. That's Hyperwing Block. You want it? You want Hyperwing Block, don't you? Well, I got a deal for you. All you have to do is show me your heart shape project. Yo, I know you got the like. Why don't you just show it off? Hey, I've never seen a heart shape object like that. Come on, no way. Oh no, oh shit, I'm just gonna die. Not anymore. CPU. Okay. Shit. I was trying to do the F1 thing. I was trying to find the right button for it. Okay, I took a deal by Crackhead in the alley. I fucking mean. Now on to the next step. I'll be waiting for you at my homemade stove on site. And the trash area close for repairs. Come alone. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Hyperwing Block. And well, at least we're on the same page. And see you next episode.